documenting my journey through motherhood. BabyMakingMachine.com.
So I saw an animal IQ test on YouTube, and I thought, you know what? I bet Snoop could do really well on this test. So me and my kids are going to give him the test, and I'm going to have the directions down below, and you can do this with your pet too. Okay, let him smell it. Okay, he smells it. Good boy. Okay. Now we're going to put it under a cup. Stay.
All those things that you did for me, 'cause you need it. You need it when I'm gone.
See how long it takes him to get it off.
Stay with me until it's done. Beautiful, I need beautiful like you. And I'm gone all day long. Stay with me until it's done. Beautiful, I need beautiful like you.
Oh, he totally came. He saw me smiling.
Things I want to make this stand, and you know it. No, it cannot stand.
Oh, that was easy.
I'm a face in the crowd.
It's all done. He found it all. That was quick.
All those things that you did for me, you need it. You need it when I'm gone all day long.
Refrigerator.
Stay with
Movies.
me until it's
Snoop.
done. Beautiful, I need beautiful like you.
As I suspected, my dog is pretty much a genius. He got over 25 points according to my calculations. It was a really fun test to do. My daughter had a lot of fun with it, especially that little towel experiment. So I'll put the link to the website so you can do an IQ test for your dog too and have fun with them. See you next time. You love Snoop?
Yeah.
So gone all day long. Stay with me until it's done. Beautiful, I need beautiful like you. So I'm gone all the day long. Stay with me until it's done. Beautiful, I need beautiful like you. So I'm gone all the day long. Stay with me until it's done. Beautiful, I need beautiful like you.